Alright guys, so the good people at Whitesmile Teeth know that I drink coffee, and I drink a lot of coffee, and you know, it stains your teeth. And so they were awesome enough to send me over a kit, and I'm going to show you guys how it works. I'm really excited. I was going to ask for Crest White strips for Christmas, but I think this is going to suffice. I'm really excited. Let's get to it. Alright, so here's the kit. This is what it looks like. I'm really excited for this. Alright, let's see what it says. It says, welcome white smilers. Not yet, but we're on our way. Okay, so here's the kit. Comes with a cute little bag. Alright, it's like a new iPhone, but not an iPhone. Okay, so here we go. Not an iPhone. Alright. Got some instructions, little chart. That's what it looks like. Cool, I'm excited to get into this. Maybe it's underneath there. Oh, okay, so underneath is where the gel's at. Okay, that's good to know. Alright, and then so you apply the gel, and then the teeth whitening blue light 10 minutes, and then red light therapy for 10 minutes. Okay, so there's the blue, there's the red. Okay, cool. Turn on the LED mouthpiece and place it in your mouth and bite down. Okay. Rinse, and then after the 20 minutes is up, rinse mouth out with water, and then rinse and clean mouthpiece with water. Okay, that sounds really good. So it also comes with like a little travel bag, and this is the, I believe, the charging cord. Yep, cool. This is so cool. I'm so excited. Way better than an iPhone. All right, I'm gonna go brush my teeth, so. Okay, now that my teeth are brushed, okay, open the cap of the white gel pen, okay, and twist ends. Oh, okay, so cap. Oh, so it's like a brush. Do you guys remember the lip glosses that were like this? So you twist it. I'm using the selfie. Okay, so you see how it came out? Okay, I'm using, this is my mirror. I hope I'm doing this right. To do this, okay. Yum. Wow. They already look whiter. That's so cool. So cool. Overall, I am so impressed. I cannot believe how much whiter my teeth are after only one session. They do say to store these in the fridge afterwards, but it comes with a travel kit, charging cord. This is the easiest whitening kit I have ever encountered. And if y'all need Christmas ideas, I would definitely check these guys out. Absolutely incredible. And I'm so excited to be able to continue to drink coffee and keep my smile white.